You are going to love the 2015 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rain-sensing wipers, speed control, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.